Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how to set up your channel art and logo for your brand new YouTube channel. Remember, this is very important to rank your video. You have to set up your EYE Catchy channel art and logo all together. And this is called a channel art and this is called a YouTube channel logo. The size of this channel art weight is 1540 and the height is 427 altogether. And on the other hand, the size of this channel logo is 180 and 180. I mean, height is 180 and weight is 180. That's it. And in this video I want to share step by step how will you create this channel art and channel logo very easily for using for free by using only one website. Before starting this video, I would like to request to subscribe this channel and click the bell button to get all types of latest make money online information from this channel. And you wanna make money online just like this and keep watching it. And if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more. In every single day I upload all types of make money online videos in this channel. On the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called the Learning and Earning Tube, and just subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of earning related videos. Also on every Friday and Sunday you will get English content on this channel, I mean on Learning and Earning Tube. So let's get started. Alright, this is my brand new channel. And how will you add your channel art and channel logo? Just you have to click this customize channel here, and after coming here you will get this channel logo icon here, and this is also add channel art. And how will you create this one and how will you create this one? And this is called a television monitor, and this is called a computer monitor, and this is called a mobile monitor. And all channel art will be set on these three devices. So now step by step I want to share how to create your channel art and logo all together. First of all, if you search on Google www.canva.com, this is awesome and pretty cool and amazing website to create any types of design just only for free. So I have to use this one. If you don't have any previous knowledges or experiences or graphic designing work or activity, or on the other hand if you don't have any previous knowledge, how will you create a logo and channel art, I strongly recommend you to use this free website that's called canva.com. After coming here you have to create an account freely on this platform, and if you search on this here YouTube icon or channel art, now YouTube channel art, just click on this here and you will get all types of ready-made or customized channel art available on this platform. Here you can choose any types of channel art, I mean ready-made channel art on this platform here. So if I click on this here, just it will open another interface, and after coming here this is a pretty cool amazing picture, and you have to edit on this shape area. This is called the shape area, and you have to write down your channel name. The size of this channel art is 1540 and 427. So just double click, you can just drag and drop on this shape area, and you can change the color from here. So just I like to use the black color, okay, and then I would like to change the font size from here or just bold, okay, that's it. And now you have to remove this one. I think just select this one from here and delete, that's it. Okay, I have created this channel art and have written, and you can increase this one in this save zone. So that's it. You can also remove this one from here. On the other hand, you can add any types of picture on this here. So that's it. Now you have to download. Just click on this download button here, and you can choose this compressed file from here. And on the other hand, you also just click on this download, and that's it. It has been downloaded. And now I would like to create a channel logo. Just come to this home interface, YouTube icon. I think you can choose any types of ready-made or customized channel logo here, and you can customize on this save area, and just click on this by pressing the left button of your mouse pointer. And you can also increase by pressing the left button of your mouse pointer here. On the other hand, you can choose the color from here, red, one has been red, and also just select this one from here. Also you can use this one, make money online. That's it. You can upload now. You can also select this one from here, just bold, okay. You can customize whatever you can see here, or now download on this computer. So that's it. Now if you come to this computer, you have to go to the download, and this one and this one. So this one is channel logo, and this one is also channel art. So that's it. Now I have to upload this one all together on my channel. And if you come to your channel all together, and first of all I would like to add this channel logo. You have to click on this pen icon and just edit here. Alright, my channel art has been my channel logo has been added on my brand new channel. Now I like to add, it will take a few minutes to add your logo on your, okay, it has been added. Now I like to add channel art, so just click on this here and select a photo from your computer. This one is channel art. Just select this one and click on this open. It has been small, so you have to increase this one together, and it will take a few minutes. Now I would like to share another thing. If you have any graphic related experience or knowledge, you can add another channel logo and channel art on your EYE Catchy channel, new channel. So how will you do it? Now I like to share another experience. This is my channel art which I have created on my Photoshop CC. You can make easily by using this any types of version of Photoshop. Or on the other hand, now I have created a channel logo which also I have created on this Photoshop CC and Illustrator all together. So this is my channel logo, and this is my channel art all together. Now I would like to upload this channel art, and I would like to upload this channel logo on my brand new account. So how will I upload this one? So after coming here, you have to click on this here and edit. This is my make money online channel logo, and done. And I refresh this one. Alright, my channel logo has been added. Now I would like to add channel art. Just click on this add channel art. Just select a photo of your computer, go to the desktop, and alright, I have added my channel logo and channel art all together. So today I have shared, or I have described about how to create your channel logo and channel art by using this canva.com easily. On the other hand, you can also use this Photoshop CC all together. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from this channel, and you can increase your skill for earning more and more on online platform. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.